Right, we're going to fit the internal corner. Pretty straightforward. We've got these asymmetric connectors. Big word there for you, Barney. It's the same deal. We basically have to. I'll get out this side. Okay. Using the deburring tool. Okay, after a simple deburr, put in the connector guide. Like so. You know there, Barney.
I certainly am.
Bit of grease. Make sure it all goes smoothly. As I say, you put the long leg in first, irrespective of whether you're going clockwise or anti-clockwise around the room. A bit too much on there, but hey, never mind. Now,
You never have too much grease.
like so. Voila, and that's it.